What's up guys, this is the boat challenge. So basically there's this boat that spawns around the map that you can't see on the map, but it swims around, and I can upgrade, side grade, use any mids, so I have to use the only guns from there. Yes.
Is that it over there?
There is also a supply drop and a henchman chest there.
You can try
Pick one.
Definitely not one.
Ain't
You
nobody coming to my boat. Oh, I get a bolt action. I can side grade that.
Oh, what color is it?
Blue. That's the lowest rarity of one. Oh, get the purple hunting rifle.
Oh, don't even need to save it. I have a bolt and a gray.
Gets a green tack. Gets another hunting rifle.
Oh.
Because I do not want to play random game with this hunting rifle and green tack.
Is that what you have?
Yeah. No, I have green hunting rifle, blue bolt, and purple hunting rifle. And I'm going to not side grade my bolt because I want to snipe and anything.
Is blue hunting for bolt?
Okay, please give me something not sniper related to. Yo,
wait,
blue
did you
tack,
get the
I will
hunting
take the
from?
blue tack.
Did you get hunting from supply drop?
Yeah, that's where I got my purple one. A Fennis. Yo.
Amos.
Two
Fennis.
Blue radar.
Oh. That's just bad. And blue. Faster than you.
I know, you should go to this boat. Okay, look.
Yeah.
It was a charge shotgun.
Ah.
No. Wait. So much it. Oh wait.
I will.
That's a freezer.
I will hit trick shot for the image.
And then you send it to
worry.
me for my video.
Yeah.
I couldn't. My gun took. He's it. I mean, he's it. He's usually. He's a poo face. Through and through. Singing majiggy. And he can't stop I forgot half of the song, by the way. Okay. Let's hop into the boat.
Okay, where is he? Okay. Where is he? Can you mark him? Wait, no, I see him, I see him. Oh! That was so good! How far was that?